Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Zoom keeps reconnecting. If Zoom keeps dropping and reconnecting, the most common causes are an unstable internet connection or a problem with the Zoom app itself. We'll start by checking your connection, then move on to simple restarts and finish with a clean reinstall if needed. First, run a quick internet speed test in any web browser. Open your preferred browser, search for speed test, and start the test. Pay attention to three numbers: download speed, upload speed, and ping or latency. For smooth video calls, you generally want a stable connection with low ping, not just high speeds. If the results show big fluctuations or unusually high latency, that can explain the reconnecting message in Zoom. Next, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired internet connection. Plug an Ethernet cable directly from your router or modem into your computer. Wired connections are far more consistent and reduce interference, which is exactly what Zoom needs to stay connected reliably. Now restart your modem or router. Unplug the power cable, wait about 30 seconds so the device fully powers down, and plug it back in. Give it a minute or two for the lights to stabilize and the internet to come back online. This clears temporary glitches that often cause intermittent drops. After your network is back, restart your computer or laptop. A quick reboot refreshes your system's network drivers and background services, which can resolve lingering connection conflicts affecting Zoom. If it's still not working, proceed with reinstalling Zoom to remove any corrupted files or settings. Start by opening the control panel on your Windows computer. From there, click on Uninstall a program. In the list of installed applications, find Zoom, then right-click it. Choose Uninstall and follow the prompts to complete removal. This ensures you're clearing out the current installation completely. Once Zoom is uninstalled, look for your Zoom installer file on your computer and run it to reinstall the app. Follow the setup instructions to finish the installation. A fresh install replaces damaged components and resets Zoom's local configuration, which often resolves persistent reconnecting issues. After completing these steps, you should have a stable setup ready for your next meeting. Start with the speed test, prefer a wired connection, power cycle your modem or router, reboot your computer, and if needed, perform the clean uninstall and reinstall. Thanks for following along, and we hope your Zoom calls stay steady and uninterrupted.